All right. William from Williams, Philippines. Take four. Uh, yeah, apparently the wind blowing is causing this thing to shut down and flip over, disconnect and restart. I don't know. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. It is April 6th, 24. April 6th, 2024. I'm tired. Had a productive weekend this weekend, and although the butcher's bill is still being added up, uh, somewhere around $300 got spent on things between Tuesday and Friday night. Yeah, between the bill for Harbor Freight and the cost of gas and the cost of uh, Chinese food that I got, Texas Chicken Bowl. Yeah, I know. Wonderful name for a Chinese place, or yeah, whatever. Anyway, Texas Chicken Bowl. Good food here in Amarillo. Uh, but between that and going over and laundry and getting the detergents and such and everything there, and a snack to eat while I was there, and then on top of that, getting the car's registration taken care of, the safety inspection, and getting the headlight installed, which actually turned out to be fairly cheap. Uh, I tipped the guy $5, and yeah. So between the oil change, the safety inspection, the light bulb change, and the uh, registration cost, and everything else this week, right on $300. Yeah. Quick way to burn through some money, but eh, it allowed me time to take and do other things that needed to be done. I did get the, like I said, I did get the all the fluids and such checked, and I'm good on fluids, so I'll be able to go down to get the colonoscopy doctor taken care of. But while sitting in the pit stop lube shop, I'm sitting in there having work done, and the phone rings, and I'm answering it, and it's the colonoscopy doctor saying, "Hey, we're going to reschedule you. How about next Wednesday?" So, yay! I would have had time to done all the other stuff on top of that, but hey, I needed an oil change anyway, and this way they got it all. They checked everything, added fluids, and I had a jug of windshield washer fluid sitting in my footwell of my passenger seat, and I wasn't thinking about it, and the guy doing the oil change went ahead and he used his. So he put a gallon of fluid in there. So I still have mine. Yay. Wasn't quite prepared for that, but okay. Saved some money. Anyway, like I say, between getting the air chucks and such for doing the pressure tank and the blowers for doing the painting, shipping, and getting all the other work done and such. Yeah, $300. Poof. I'll be glad when it doesn't cost near as much to do things. I'm getting old. I don't know about you, but none of us are getting younger. But yeah, getting the cost of things going and taken care of. I'm trying to save money to be able to spend in the Philippines, so instead of wasting it on things I can do myself, I usually try to do it myself. Even things like climb up and down ladders and climb up into trees and get up on the roof. Operating chainsaws is no fun. Yeah, but it is what it is, and hey, I got a lot of stuff done this weekend, and my weekend. Yeah, you want to mess up a Friday night, turn it into your Monday morning. And yeah, all I know is it's been a long week, and getting back to work, I come back in here and actually had to work so far. I think I've sold 13 or 14 rooms already, which pretty good number for my shift. So I actually had to earn my paycheck tonight, and that's a good thing. Job security and all. But yeah, the costs of things, it's I want to do as much as I can, so I'll probably, continue to do everything I can at the house instead of hiring somebody to do it. I hate painting. I'm okay at it, but I really do hate painting. So, yay! It's alright. It is what it is. And I will be getting around to doing some painting instead of going Wednesday to Lubbock. I'll probably try to get out there with a blower and blow a little bit of it off, because if nothing else, I already got my power tools, or my power extension cord. I've got the 3 of them found, even if I didn't find my long one, and I'll be able to get out there and use those to run the air compressor, and that'll be good. Yeah, got to get that going so I can get out there and get the prep work done, and maybe, I don't know, maybe try to do a bit of painting on Saturday, or not Saturday, but on Thursday. We'll see how far I get done on Friday or Wednesday. Yeah, my Friday afternoon is Wednesday morning. Yay, fun stuff. Like I said, turn your Friday into Monday morning, and Wednesday morning becomes your Friday afternoon. Time, a group concept of which I was not a member that conceived it, so why be bound by your ideas and conceptions of what time is? Just saying. Anyway, I am up to 52 subscribers. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And trying to get that going on up. What is it? vidIQ says my progress, they're saying my goal to hit 60 is sometime 2 weeks. I don't know. We'll see. It's only 8 away. I think we'll hit it before then, but okay. Like I say, want to eventually reach 1,000. Be able to get some monetization, because every penny helps. And like I said, I'm not rich, but if it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't. I'm not stressing it. I'm gonna keep plugging away at what I'm doing and enjoy it. Like I say, if nothing else, is really just a kind of a personal journal or vlog, video blog, vlog, and I'm doing this kind of to have a bit of a way for my family to keep up with me. That's why a lot of comments are just folks that know me, or not really on the comment channel. It's folks that know me that call up and say, "Hey, dummy." Yeah, you can tell there's a lot of love in the family and friends here. But yeah, it is what it is. And a few of them check it out and say, "Hey, do this, do that," or, it is what it is. All I know is it's been a long one for this weekend, and it was productive, and I'm glad about that. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a short one and try to get a few other things done. I'm moving a bit slow today, so I want to make sure I have extra time to take care of breakfast, because it's going to be a big breakfast. I sold out. And yeah, that's a good thing. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Blessings. I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Later, blessings. Bye-bye. And I'm Fish. Fish is out.